Have you ever wondered? Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inquisitive Creation. My name is Gilo, and I will be your trusted companion to explain things you ever wondered about but does not exactly know what they are. Chronic diseases affect millions worldwide, from diabetes and heart disease to respiratory conditions and cancer. These long-term health challenges not only impact quality of life but also place a significant burden on healthcare systems globally. But what if I told you that we're on the brink of a paradigm shift in how we monitor and manage these conditions? Enter artificial intelligence, the game changer that's rewriting the rules of chronic disease care. Before we delve into the exciting applications of AI in chronic disease monitoring, let's take a moment to understand why this matters. Chronic diseases are responsible for 71% of global deaths annually, according to the World Health Organization. The traditional approach to managing these conditions often involves periodic checkups, manual data entry, and reactive interventions. But in our fast-paced world, this model is becoming increasingly outdated and inefficient. This is where AI steps in, offering a proactive, personalized, and continuous approach to disease management. By harnessing the power of machine learning algorithms and big data analytics, we're entering an era of predictive healthcare that was once the stuff of science fiction. But before we start, if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an informative and thought-provoking video. Now, let's explore some of the groundbreaking ways AI is being applied to monitor chronic diseases. Buckle up, because what you're about to see might just blow your mind. First up, let's talk about diabetes management. Traditional glucose monitoring involves finger pricks and manual tracking. But AI-powered continuous glucose monitors are changing the game. These small, wearable devices use sensors to measure glucose levels in real time, transmitting data to a smartphone app. But here's where AI makes it magical. Machine learning algorithms analyze this constant stream of data, identifying patterns and trends that might be invisible to the human eye. They can predict glucose fluctuations hours in advance, allowing users to take preemptive action. What's truly revolutionary about these AI-powered continuous glucose monitors are their ability to learn and adapt. The more data they collect, the smarter they become. They can factor in variables like food intake, exercise, and stress levels to provide increasingly accurate predictions and personalized recommendations. Some advanced systems even integrate with insulin pumps, creating a closed-loop system that automatically adjusts insulin delivery based on real-time glucose levels and AI predictions. It's like having a tireless, ultra-smart pancreas assistant working 24/7. Next, let's look at how AI is revolutionizing cardiac care. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death worldwide, but AI is giving us new tools to fight back. Traditional electrocardiograms provide a snapshot of heart activity. But what if we could monitor heart health continuously, detecting subtle changes that might indicate an impending problem? That's exactly what AI-powered wearable electrocardiogram devices are doing. These devices use sophisticated algorithms to analyze heart rhythm patterns in real time. They can detect irregularities that might be missed in a standard electrocardiogram, such as atrial fibrillation, which is a major risk factor for stroke. By analyzing vast amounts of electrocardiogram data, they can identify subtle precursors to cardiac events. We're moving from reactive to predictive cardiology, potentially preventing heart attacks before they happen. Some AI models have even demonstrated the ability to predict heart failure up to 9 months in advance just by analyzing electrocardiogram data. It's like having a crystal ball for heart health. For millions of people with asthma and COPD, managing their condition is a daily challenge. But AI is breathing new life into respiratory care. Smart inhalers equipped with sensors and AI algorithms are transforming how we monitor and manage respiratory diseases. These devices can track medication usage, measure air quality, and even detect the sound of wheezing or coughing. AI algorithms integrate this data with other factors like weather conditions, pollen counts, and physical activity to create a comprehensive picture of a patient's respiratory health. They can predict exacerbations and provide personalized recommendations to prevent attacks. It's like having a guardian angel for our lungs. The app can warn us when conditions might trigger an asthma attack, and it can help us understand any triggers better. We can feel more in control of our condition than ever before. Cancer is one of the most complex and challenging chronic diseases we face, but AI is emerging as a powerful ally in the fight against this formidable foe. Traditional cancer monitoring often involves invasive biopsies and scans, but AI is enabling new, less invasive approaches. Take liquid biopsies, for instance. These blood tests can detect tiny fragments of tumor DNA circulating in the bloodstream. AI algorithms can analyze this circulating tumor DNA to monitor cancer progression, detect early signs of recurrence, and even predict how a tumor might evolve. It's like having a molecular spy keeping constant watch over cancer cells. What's truly groundbreaking is how AI can integrate liquid biopsy data with other factors like imaging results, genetic information, and treatment history. This holistic approach allows us to tailor treatments with unprecedented precision and adjust strategies in real time based on how the cancer is responding. Neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's present unique challenges in monitoring and management. But AI is opening up new frontiers in brain health. AI-powered devices can continuously monitor brain activity, detecting subtle changes that might indicate the onset or progression of neurological conditions. For instance, some systems can analyze speech patterns and facial expressions to detect early signs of Parkinson's disease. In Alzheimer's care, AI algorithms can analyze data from wearable devices, cognitive tests, and even smart home sensors to monitor cognitive function and detect changes in daily living patterns that might indicate decline. What's particularly exciting is how AI can help us understand the progression of these complex diseases. By analyzing vast amounts of data from multiple sources, we're gaining new insights into how neurological conditions evolve over time. This could be key to developing more effective treatments. As we've seen, AI is transforming chronic disease monitoring in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. But it's important to note that these technologies are not meant to replace healthcare professionals. Instead, they're powerful tools that can enhance clinical decision-making and empower patients to take a more active role in managing their health. By providing continuous, real-time data and predictive insights, AI is enabling a more proactive, personalized approach to chronic disease management. It's shifting the paradigm from periodic checkups to ongoing health optimization. The potential impact of AI-enabled chronic disease management is truly staggering. Studies have revealed promising outcomes that could revolutionize healthcare. Research suggests that this technology could reduce hospitalizations by up to 50%, marking a significant decrease in the need for inpatient care. Additionally, AI-powered solutions have shown the ability to improve medication adherence by 30%, ensuring patients follow their prescribed treatment plans more consistently. From an economic perspective, the implementation of AI in chronic disease management could cut healthcare costs by billions of dollars annually, alleviating financial burdens on both individuals and healthcare systems. However, perhaps the most crucial benefit is the potential to significantly improve the quality of life for millions of people living with chronic conditions. By providing more personalized, proactive care and empowering patients with real-time insights, AI could transform the daily experiences of those managing long-term health challenges. Finally, the integration of AI into chronic disease monitoring represents a pivotal moment in healthcare. It's not just about managing diseases, it's about optimizing health, enhancing quality of life, and empowering individuals to take control of their well-being. As we stand on the brink of this healthcare revolution, I encourage you to stay informed, ask questions, and be open to the possibilities that AI offers in managing chronic conditions. The future of health is in our hands and our algorithms. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI applications in monitoring chronic diseases. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cutting-edge content on the future of healthcare. Until next time, this is your friend Gilo signing off from Inquisitive Creation. Thanks so much for watching.